If you need a book or article not in UA's collection, you can place an interlibrary loan request to access that resource through a different institution. To place an interlibrary loan request from Scout, click the Access Options drop-down menu under the source title, then click the Full Text Finder option. If the libraries do not have access to the resource, Full Text Finder will prompt you to request the item through interlibrary loan. Click Request this item through interlibrary loan. This will take you to Iliad, our interlibrary loan system. Use your MyBama information to log in. The first time you log into Iliad, you will be prompted to fill out a form with your contact information. If you are an on-campus student, select Hold for Pickup. If you are requesting a resource through one of the library databases, the loan request form should already be filled out. If you are requesting a journal article, a PDF will be sent to your account. If you are requesting a book, you will pick it up from the Gorgas circulation desk. If you are a distance student, the resource will be mailed to the address you used to fill out the contact form. Interlibrary loan requests tend to be filled quickly. When your item is ready, or if there are any issues, you will be contacted by a member of the ILL team. You can also contact them with any questions at illstaff@ua.edu.